Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo Riewlum, ki em news nam tam, ya kitu ba shong morway, ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma, incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Nationalist Congress Party kelarai ban om ai tiket ya kinu ki pen Rio kibam dai ki Riewlum Garo haka election sa Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kapan salong ya kanela pen tiap dop ko par nongrum madi state president jong ka NCP Meghalaya Unit haka jikan bakila thai khubor ha khatwai tarik rempang aja pen Rio hadiam melawai ka jingalang kepala long hanong ba shilong
Ya kalian ke parti ngelarai ba minum ai tiket ya kinon travel pura kata kibun ha kibele election ki karmo ki election la po Garo Hills ki parti ba fair mereka parti jungi kalau straight forward bangi ngim ai tiket ya ki dakar kata aku ke ba ki pajba apa Garo Hills kisania ba ki sutanat entah bagi air ke jingi ro phone call kawan tinggal diskus selama jam presiden bang ide pensangnya bagina dewan ai nomor bakal diskus lagi kam de bandon tamu hat de bandon be tangki Garo Garo kata de ko we ke bang ke bos tenat ini yo lat ban bani kedu be bye bye rupi ai jengut bagi tenat.
I'm the president of Meghalaya State NCP party. I came from Garo Hills. I was an MLA from Calcutta. Now I'm looking after the NCP party in Meghalaya State. Today we convened a meeting in Shillong, private hotel, with calling our friends from Janta Hills and Kasi Hills to work together in a party. Our friends from Kasi Janta Hills all are joined here, and they have inducted someone as working president, someone is secretary, someone is a secretary, and other executive members. So from today onwards, we will start the NCP party in Kasi and Janta Hills. We have already started in Garo Hills. Now GDC election on the corner. We are preparing to contest the election in Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. We are underway in selecting the candidates, but when the election date declare, we will finalize our candidates. So we are thinking to fill up all seats. There are 29 seats. We are contemplating to fill in all the seats. Now we have already declared 7 seats, but the remaining seats will be declared when the election date will be declared by the government. These 7 seats are from Rongrong constituency, Borsong constituency, Jengjal constituency, Silklegri constituency, Sijurumara constituency, and another one that Banawajmu near Dalu. Many ex-MLAs or some strong leaders are keen to join in our party. That is why we came to Shillong to induct some office bearers so that let them freely pick the candidate for the MLA election. So we are starting our party on the base and slowly and steady wins the race. We'll start in Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Then after that we'll start in the whole Meghalaya for the MLA election. Person in Rungara Singgam Ke Sangma, in Silklegri Nekjrang E Sangma, from Borsong Dringbart Sangma, from Rongrong Singmatsi M Sangma, from Jengjal Matgrek K Sangma. Yeah, all of them press.
Si
Yes, they are strong party, but both depends on the wishes of the people. As example, when the NCP is a strong party, they have 20 MLAs in Garo Hills, but one MLA select from Congress party. He won the election. It depends upon the wishes of the voters. Because of the people insisted us to organize the NCP party, we are organizing the party. That's why we depend on the people to vote in the coming election. There is a lengthy manifesto. I cannot say all the things, but the one and two I can say to you. So, if the NCP party came to power, we will try to eradicate the corruption. This is number one. Because of corruption, the district council could not disperse 2 years, 6 months salary. This is number one. And number two, there are so many anomalies. So these anomalies have to be rectified. So these are what we have to do more. But to know more, we have election manifesto. I will show you later. It keep in the same way. So till today it is continuing. Nowadays, the NGO, civil societies, and some my Garo companion complain about this. See, from Kasi Hills and Jantia Hills, they are voting in the election without non-tribal. But in Garo Hills, we are voting with non-tribals. Now they are demanding to exclude the non-tribals from the electoral roll. That is one. In our manifesto, we already stated, but it is a very arduous task because to delay the names, it required parliament. To pass this issue, it will require 273 MLAs to be supported. That is the big question. Now it will require the district council, it will require the state government, and it will require the parliament also. That is the big issue.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.